Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Android Auto not working. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. In order to do that, all you need to do guys is go to the screen here in the right side of your steering wheel. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look like this. So basically guys, once you're here, you're gonna find all of the sections here in the left. You're gonna find the home section and so on. Make sure you're in the home section, and then here you're gonna find all of these apps. Make sure you click on devices. Once you're here in devices, you're gonna find the device you're connected to, all of your saved devices. If you want to connect a new device, click here and just look for Android Auto. Get a click and then you're gonna be able to connect to your device. If Android Auto is not working, then you can go to settings here in the bottom right and then try to remove your device. Select it like this and then click on remove selection. Then once you remove the device, try to add it again by clicking on connect new device. Select Android Auto and then select your device, and after that it should be working properly. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.